Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to draw a right angle triangle in Word. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For this you need to first click on the insert, click on the shapes and pick in the basic shapes you need to click on the right triangle. Hold down the shift key and draw it on the canvas. You can move it anywhere. Go to the shape format and click on the shape fill and click on the no fill. And again go to the shape outline and click on the weight and select the 3pt. And now go to the insert and click on the shapes, and now this time pick the rectangular shape and draw the rectangular shape over here. And again go to the shape format, click on the shape fill, select no fill, go to the shape outline, go to the weight and select the 3pt like this one. And now again go to the insert and click on the shapes, and now this time select the arc shape and draw the arc. Go to the shape format and click on the shape outline and click the weight to 3pt. And now it rotate it like this one. Move it over here and like this one. Control D to make a duplicate copy and rotate it like this one and place it over here. Now select the triangle, arc, these arc and rectangular, and now right click, make it group, and now select it and go to the shape format and change the color to the blue. And now go to the insert and click on the text box and click draw a text box. Draw a text box over here and type 90 and now press Alt key and press 0176 on the numeric set keypad and release the Alt key. This will insert the degree symbol. Then go to the shape format and click on the shape fill, no fill, and then again shape outline, go to the no outline, and now you can move anywhere. You can control A to select it, go to the home, make it bold like this one. So control C and V to make a duplicate copy, change the values to 45, make another duplicate copy and place over here. You need to group all these things and then you can move it anywhere like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can draw right angle triangle in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.